Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to be using my Ninja Slushi to make delicious strawberry daiquiris. So you ready? Let's get into this. Okay, for this recipe, we need water, obviously. We're doing this a simple way, so we're using some Mr. T's non-alcoholic daiquiri mix. Next, we need a little bit of rum. We'll need a little bit of strawberry beverage. Normally, if you did something like this in a blender, you would use actual strawberries and you would just puree them. In our case, we're making this in the Ninja Slushi, so we don't want any chunks, so use the strawberry beverage instead. If you can't find something like this, you can use a little bit of fruit juice also. The only other thing we need is a little bit of garnish if you're going to use garnish. I'm going to use a lime wedge and a strawberry for this. If you'd like to make this recipe, all the ingredients and measurements are down in the description of the video, along with the calorie count, the protein, the carbs, and the fat. Okay, the first thing we're going to put in here is our daiquiri mix. There we go. Next, we're going to add in our water, our rum. You can use dark rum or light rum, doesn't matter, it's your preference. And then we'll add in our strawberry juice or strawberry drink. Now we just gotta close this up, turn on our machine. We're gonna select spiked slush, and we're just gonna leave it on the default freeze level. Remember, if you think your slushy ends up coming out too soft or too thick, you can make adjustments to the freeze level to get it just the way you like. Now all we gotta do is wait. Hey, by the way, if this is your first time here and you want to learn some cool new recipes, get some great cooking tips and tricks and all sorts of other kitchen related things, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you never miss a thing. Okay, that just got finished. It took about 25 minutes. You could probably shave about 5, 6, 7 minutes off of that or so if you refrigerate all of your ingredients first. Okay, let's go ahead and serve this out. I'm going to be using this wine glass, and that's a little too big, so we're gonna have to do a little bit of that. Hopefully I just don't make a giant mess here. The consistency looks really good, doesn't it? Okay, we're gonna do a little quick surgery on this. If you don't like it this thick, remember you can change the freeze levels on the machine. You can set it one lower if you want to, and it'll make this just a little bit softer. But if you like this texture, then you're pretty good to go. All right, so we got our drink right there, and we got our garnish. Whoa, right there. Frozen daiquiris are so good, and most people don't realize that the only real difference between a daiquiri and a margarita is that one's got rum and one's got tequila. So if you like strawberry margaritas, you can do this exact same recipe except sub out tequila for the rum. If you'd like a little bit more information about the Ninja Slushi that I used in this video, I do have an Amazon affiliate link down in the description of the video. If you buy anything through those links, I do make a small commission, but it doesn't change the price that you pay, 1 cent. If you like this video, then I bet you like frozen margaritas too, which I have a video for right here. What do you like better, daiquiris or margaritas? Let me know down in the comments. Well, that's it for now. I hope to see you back again here really soon, and until that time, I'm Joe, and I hope you have a phenomenal day. Take it easy.